So for this one, it says estimate the length of a marker in inches, then use a ruler to measure the length. So first, I have to take my marker, any marker. I have a Sharpie. You could use a pencil, you could use a crayon if you don't have a marker, you can use Expo marker, you can use Crayola marker, anything that resembles a marker. Pencil, pen, whatever you got. Everyone's is going to be different, so it's hard to have like a right or wrong answer for this one because you're all going to have a different length of marker, and that's okay. So what you're going to do first, you're going to estimate. So if I look at my marker, I'm going to say, I'm going to estimate that this is about 6 inches long. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and write an E for estimate. I'm not even on the drop page. 1 second. All right, so now we're in the right spot. So I'm going to write, I have an estimate. So my estimate will just be E for estimate, and I'm estimating it's going to be 6 inches. Now I'm going to take my ruler, and remember I'm going to put the end on the 0. We're not going to start at the end of the ruler, but we're going to start right at 0, and I'm going to measure, and I was really close, but not quite. So let's see if I can hold it up to the camera. If you see here, maybe, let's see, we're super close, let's see. If I hold it up to the ruler, this is really fun to do on camera. All right, if I hold it up here, you can see that this is the 5-inch mark, and the halfway mark is right here. Halfway mark is right there, and it didn't quite reach the halfway mark. So instead of it being 6 inches, because it's under that halfway mark, I'm going to say it's about 5 inches. So my actual measurement was 5 inches. So I was wrong, and that's okay. I was close, and that's what counts. So there you go.